There's locker room.
Weird.
Well, it was weird. Ugh.
A vanity mirror. This has to be the girls.
This is definitely, oops, sorry. These lights, everybody. Like Sean said, definitely the girls. Vanity mirror with little lights. Weird little cabinet, though. It's a weird thing for the girls. Like a desk or something. I don't know. Love the old butt clock. The old butt speak. Oh, the old bell's right next to it. Look at that, dude.
Oh, yeah.
That is old as hell. Love the bezel on that. Jeez. This is a very goofy locker room. It is some type of locker room. Yeah, these are the dressing rooms. That's why they look funny. They're not locker rooms. That's what's with the lights and the vanities. That's why the other one in there had the cabinet, because they have all the makeup and stuff. All right. Because there you go. Because costumes, everything in here.
That makes more sense.
Yes, it does make more sense.
What do I say? Man, back then they.
Ugh. I've taken some bad ones before, but never turned the whole room green. Oh, that is a bad one. That's some horrible poo. Turn the whole room green, dude. Now here, you got to see what the other gym looked like. This used to be the boys' gym, we're guessing. As I guess. And this one looked like it until they walled it off. Oh yeah. Yeah, because like weirdly, they use this as a gym or something. Or a classroom where the teacher stands up here and goes, oh. Small theater?
For practicing and stuff like that.
Ooh, see, that's why I bring him. He's smart. He does cheat this side then. Than I
I
do.
think we already seen that second one.
This is where the classroom was. The classroom side. Or maybe, theater. They sat in here, did stuff, and they went in the other room and acted. They sit here and talk about...
Yeah, this could actually be long.
Yes.
Small.
Scooby-Doo runs into the night, runs away with Shaggy screaming. Now we'll go in this room and act it out. Sorry, that's my mindset.
Will they get half of each other's?
I don't know.
Will that kind of defeat the purpose?
So if we get divorced, who gets half of what?
That's what I'm saying.
Even more. Even worse. Who's going to explain our divorce to our wives? Sorry, ladies. You were just for show. Hallway after hallway. Just devastation. What a bunch of waste. Anything good in there? All kinds of stuff. Okay. I like all kinds of stuff. Oh, show shoes. There's storeroom. Or storeroom of some type. Oh yeah. Other explorers been here, right? They laid stuff out and left it. For pictures and stuff. Yeah.
No, I didn't know high school did ROTC.
Well, look at that. Learning experience. You learned something today. Spectronic. Bosch and Lomb, their eyes. Huh. Oh, it is. Look. It's a thing you used to test your eyes with. Look. There's a little back and forth thing. Which is better? This or this? Or this? A or B?
It's a recruitment move, so.
That right after that, they gave you the hearing test. Beep, beep. Hold up your hand for the one you heard in. They did not like it if you held up your finger at them either. This one's still intact, semi. Peepees. Oops. They did come after the commodes. One of these days I'm gonna do that. Push one of these doors open, somebody's gonna be sitting there. Yeah. You're right. Oh my lord. There it is. Sean was hunting for this. Yeah, the massive gym. Now I know Storm has been here, guys. They showed you around, showed you some stuff down in the gym. So now I get to see the gym he was at one time. Jeez. Oh yeah. There it is, everybody. Some jerk lit the floor of the gym on fire. Jesus. What's wrong with people? Come over, Sean found the big pile of wasted books and equipment. I said this before. I know sometimes schools change their classes up. New books, new curriculum, new teaching. But you can't tell me none of these could be used for something or somebody. Economics is still economics, guys. These are brand new. These are school books in the box, never even untaped. Talk wasted. And there's loads of them right here like that. Of course, some jerks are up here and try to light fires on them. Jesus. And lit their flashlight on fire. Jeez. This is pure waste. America, the power of the textbook and technology comes alive. And they left that here too. Didn't come alive very long. There's some more boxes back here, guys, of new books that were never opened. Grammar, usage, and mechanics. Our grammar doesn't change. The language hasn't changed. Do not waste books. Elements of literature. Many of these are brand new books never used. You can see there's no bend in the spines, nothing. Wow.
There's a huge collection of National Geographic here.
Yeah? Probably empty out some of the library here too.
These would be worth a lot.
How old are they?
March 1951.
Holy crap. 1951 Nat Geos. Good shape. There you go. Oh my lord. A monitor from an old Apple IIe. Here's the printer for it over here. Oh, there you go, Sean. That's up your alley. Big old top matrix, baby. Oh, it's a Canon. It's a Canon. Yeah. Then they call it word processors. The fancy typewriters. There's a weight room machine in here. Weight bench. Love the old Apple IIe monitor. I remember playing games on these. Girls. Bet I don't find any in here. Ugh. No. No. Nope. Oh, that door was slammed.
Economics. That's an old singer.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Somebody's beating the wall. No, somebody's trying to get to the piping. Look. They're beating the walls to get to the pipes. Okay, scrappers. Like the old football stuff, though. The old catching helmet. Yep. That definitely one of the older sections. Love this. The big window up here tilts and moves. Ventilation. And this was the teacher's room. Pretty cool. Red carpet going moldy. Oh, that is cool. All these super old desks. I mean, come on. These desks were out of date. Yeah, they were using these. These were out of date when you and I were in school. Let alone when this place closed up. That's just nuts. Stuart Hall theme book. Rashad and Shorty. He's writing down a bunch of names, birthdays. Age 15 years old, 1 year old, 20 years old. I think you take a lot of class notes. See? Yep, not really. We were mostly drawing in class. Yeah, well, I thought this was fire damage. It's not. It's water leakage and rot. Oh, whoops. I'm going to turn the light off, everybody. There's why. Those little dots you see are holes in the ceiling. Pretty small locker room. The heck? There's got to be more to it. That's awful sound. Oops. Everybody's awake now. There's showers. Oh, what's left of them? You do that small for this school. What the heck? That's awful small for this school. Wow. Yeah. Pretty sure girls' locker room. Now the question we have to ask ourselves, is this the only pool? Holy crap. Holy. That is a good sized pool. Look at the crap people threw down in there. There's the floor cleaning machines. There's all the floor cleaning machines down there. Office equipment, hoses, fire hoses, jeez. My God. Today's Explorer is sponsored by the letter N, with help from the letter G. So you have go and no.
Did you say go?
How do you know when you're about done on an Explorer? You can. When you look up and you see that, the end. So guys, for me and Sean, this is the end. Thanks for joining us.